Welcome viewers, today we're going to be having a look at an ATSafePro tyre pressure gauge, and it's also a tyre inflator. You can connect it to an airline if you wish. They're around £20 on Amazon, so let's have a look at what's in the box. So you've got some instructions there. There's a valve stem remover, some PTFE tape and some valve caps. There's also a right angle adapter. And then you've got the unit itself. It seems to be reasonably well made, and the connections are all pretty much made of metal, apart from the handle itself, which seems to be made of some sort of plastic. And the union at the bottom I've already connected, which attaches to your airline. So that's why you've got PTFE tape, so you've just got to tighten that in yourself. And there's also a small light on the back. So let's put this on a vehicle and see what sort of results we get. So I'm just using this to check the tyre pressures, and you can see it's a very clear display, 33.6. So what we're going to do is just drop a little bit of the pressure out, so I want that down a little bit, and just press the button on the side and it releases the air. Very simple. So would I recommend it for DIY use? Absolutely. Obviously I haven't checked the calibration, but for DIY it's good enough. It feels pretty solid, and as I said, the display is very easy to read. So if you've enjoyed the video, then remember to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.